all I want are freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. But I also don't feel like making a whole batch. So instead, I'm just gonna make two. Two freshly baked chocolate chip cookies.
Start by whisking 3 tablespoons of flour with a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt.
By the way, a pinch is technically 1/16 of a teaspoon.
Then mash 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of butter until combined. Add 1 egg yolk and an 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla. Then stir in your flour mixture and sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Divide and roll your dough into 2 portions and then bake at 325 until the edges are set and puffy, about 8 to 12 minutes. Finally, let the cookies cool for a very long 10 minutes and enjoy.
It's 2 cookies. One for me and another one for me. So if you want this recipe, which I know you do, just click the link in our profile.